Hey everyone, Boholano Hobbies here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install new rear brake shoes on a Toyota Wish, the DIY way, including how to properly adjust the brakes at the end. This brake assembly has already been cleaned, but if you're doing this for the first time, make sure everything's free of dust and grease. Also, check the description below for a playlist of more Toyota Wish and other DIY car repair videos. Grab your new brake shoes and start by installing the first one on the parking brake lever. Secure it in place using the retaining clip. Next, install the self-adjuster spring and lever on the opposite brake shoe. These components allow the brake to automatically adjust as the shoes wear down. Now set the adjuster to its shortest position. We'll fine-tune it later when we do the brake adjustment. Apply a bit of synthetic grease of the adjuster to keep it moving smoothly and install it between the brake shoes. Apply a thin layer of grease on the contact points where the brake shoes sit. This helps prevent noise and allows the shoes to move freely. Hold the brake shoe in place and secure it with the shoe hold down spring. You can use a hold down spring tool, but in my case, I'm just using my hand. It's not too hard to press down. Do the same for the other brake shoe. Attach it, align it, and lock it in place with the spring. To connect the return spring between the two shoes, use a vice grip to hook it in. It might take a bit of leverage, so be patient. Now install the anchor spring to hold both shoes together firmly. Give everything a good look. Make sure all springs and components are seated properly and nothing's out of place. Clean the brake drum and the new brake shoes with brake cleaner to remove any oil or contaminants that could affect braking. Now let's adjust the brakes. Since the adjuster is in the shortest position, just turn it a few clicks. The goal is to tighten the adjuster until you feel the brake shoes just slightly touching the drum. That's when you know the adjustment is just right. Test fit the drum, then repeat the process until you feel light resistance. Watch closely how I do it. And that's it. New brake shoes installed and adjusted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the playlist for more Toyota Wish repairs and DIY auto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.